Disclaimer: this video was not created using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new AI-powered chatbot that was launched as a prototype on November 30, 2022. Immediately after its launch, the chatbot attracted an incredible number of users due to its ability to provide answers to questions from a wide variety of domains. In this video, we will look into practical applications of the new chatbot for software engineers and talk about AI's weak points. Application number 1. Quickly get information on a wide range of technical topics. Compared to Google search results, ChatGPT really shines when you need to get general and brief information about technology, algorithms, software, etc. Instead of providing you with millions of pages of links, which is exactly what search engines like Google do, the chatbot provides ready-to-use answers on one page. Also, unlike search engines that show ads in search results, the chatbot does not show any ads, at least for now. Let's look at a few examples. Let's pretend that I received a task to write a AWS Lambda function that processes data coming from AWS SQS message queue service. I have never worked with AWS Lambda. So first, I will ask the chatbot to explain what AWS Lambda is. Okay, this gives me some idea about what AWS Lambda is. Now I want to find out how to trigger the AWS Lambda function from SQS. So I ask the chatbot my next question. This makes sense, but I would like to automate my configuration using a CloudFormation template. So I will ask the chatbot to help me with this. Perfect, this is exactly what I was looking for. Now I have a template and empty function that I can use to start working. After a quick and successful implementation and deployment of the Lambda function, my career is going up and I received, drumroll please, a well-deserved promotion. Nope. Instead of a promotion, I was assigned to work on another task, implement a single sign-on for our ASP.NET application. I will ask the chatbot to help me with this. Okay, now I need to understand how to implement it in my application. Another question to the AI. Okay. This is enough to get me started. Now, I have another technical question. I heard about a new HTTP/3 protocol and would like to understand how it works and what are the benefits. Let's ask the AI for help. Okay. This is good enough for this moment. I can get to this topic later when I actually need to work with this. Now, imagine that our company received a request to create an application for Samsung Smart TV and no one has experience creating such applications. I was invited to an impromptu meeting to discuss how to build an application for TVs and did not have much time to prepare. I need to quickly understand which frameworks and programming languages are available for these devices. Let's ask the AI. Okay. This is very brief, but gives me a quick overview of technologies that are available. Now, imagine that I am building an embedded application. I heard about a relatively new programming language, Rust, and want to understand how it is different from C. Let's see what is the difference between Rust and C. Okay. From this response, it is clear that it makes sense to learn more about Rust programming language since the new application can benefit from it. Moving to the application number 2, get answers to coding questions. While doing a security code review and reading some very old code created by engineers that are no longer with the company, I ran into a regular expression. It is the end of the day, I am getting tired and I would not mind getting some help with understanding the purpose of this expression. Let's see if the chatbot can help with this. Okay, this is helpful. I can save my brain power and time for more important tasks. Here is another example. As I was writing a C# function to extract product information from an HTML page, I made a mistake. Let's see if the AI can help to identify it. It found the problem. The code will fail if the document does not contain the element. It is worth pointing out that the AI indicated a few potential problems with this code, and such feedback can be very helpful for junior developers. Now I want to implement lazy loading in a .NET application. Let's ask the AI to explain how to do this. Again, the chatbot gave a clear answer. The chatbot can also help to format code. Here is an example of formatting a simple select statement. Application number 3, explain complex technical problems using simple terms. As a software engineer, I often need to answer technical questions in a way that people without a strong background in the informational technology field can understand. The chatbot helps me with this by providing ready-to-use answers that can be then tweaked depending on the level of a particular person that is asking a question. Here are a few examples. Let's ask the chatbot to explain how Apple AirTags work and how they compare to GPS trackers. Now let's ask the chatbot to explain how Google Search works. We can even dumb down answers to make them easy to be understood by elementary grade children. Application number 4, extract data from text. The chatbot will help you with extracting data from text without writing a code. Here is an example of extracting information about best-selling products from Amazon in JSON format. Here is another example that shows how to extract actor names and their roles into a markdown table. Application number 5, summarize text. The chatbot can be used to summarize the text. As an example, let's ask it to summarize the history of the Python programming language from Wikipedia. Not bad at all. Application number 6, generate text for mockups and prototypes. Are you still using lorem ipsum generators for creating test content for mockups and prototypes? We can do better than that now. Let's use AI to create a text for a mockup of a website that sells products for pets. Now, let's generate a few names for this prototype. Looks good. I am sure our sales and marketing team will love these names. Application number 7, unwind after work and take care of your physical and mental health. When you get tired, take a break and take good care of yourself. Ask the chatbot to entertain you with a joke about software engineers. Or create a workout routine. A word of caution. It is very easy to start relying on the new chatbot for getting answers to all your questions quickly without annoying ads. However, the new AI is far from perfect. The most dangerous thing about it is not that it can take over the world. It can't. At least not yet. The danger is that it confidently provides answers to many questions, but these answers are not always correct. This problem has been acknowledged by OpenAI, the company that created the chatbot. Because of this problem, Stack Overflow, the most popular Q&A website for professional software engineers, banned answers generated by the chatbot. Here is an example of an answer provided by the ChatGPT that is not correct. I am asking the AI to explain the difference between XML and JSON. The answer looks convincing. Notice how AI highlights JSON's more flexible structure that supports lists and dictionaries. Now, look at what happens when we ask about the difference between JSON and YAML. Now, in point number 1, the AI is trying to convince us that YAML is the one that supports lists and dictionaries. In reality, all of the mentioned technologies support lists and dictionaries. So, when the stakes are high and using a wrong AI-generated answer may get you into trouble, do not rely on the new chatbot. Do your own research and find credible sources of information. As we saw in this video, when used with caution, the AI can be a good assistant to a software engineer. It gives answers without ads and without a million links to click through. And the good news is that Google already noticed all this and got scared. And this can only mean one thing: Google will have to improve their search results, which will make things even better for all users regardless of answers that they are looking for. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you have questions about the topic, leave them in a comment. Always keep learning. Until next time.